call to order. And we're here gathered this afternoon to specifically look at options, avenues, relationship between customs and the private sector, and in the process enhance our economy, enhance importation, and hopefully protect more taxes.
Salamat po sa pagiging katuwang nyo sa pagsasagawa ng mga plano at prioridad ng Bureau of Customs. Tiwala ako na patuloy ninyo po kaming sasamahan at gagabayan na may isang katuparan ang mga layunin ng bagong Pilipinas.
Right access. That's where we are moving forward into. The key here is how do we mobilize each one of us to help our community.
I wish to renew my commitment to lead and guide our growing CTAC community. With your help, we will continuously strive to be a responsive and effective customs administration, one that meets the expectations of industries and likewise protects the interests of our country and the Filipino people.